Hello, beautiful soul. I'm so grateful you've chosen this time for yourself today to embrace your radiant inner peace and light. Find a gentle spot to sit comfortably. Allow your eyelids to softly close. Let your hands find rest on your knees, palms open to the sky. Now, breathe in deeply and let it out with a sigh. Do this twice more, drawing in serenity and releasing any tension. Feel the embrace of the present moment, connecting with your body. If there are spots holding on to the tightness, send your breath there, comforting them. As you continue this gentle rhythm of breathing, feel each part of you soften and release. Your shoulders dropping, your face relaxing, the space between your eyebrows smoothing out. You are enveloped in a cocoon of tranquility. This is your sanctuary where your true self resides. You are present. You are cradled in safety. What a beautiful feeling it is to connect with your inner self and simply be now. We'll do a visualization exercise. As you inhale, picture a warm, glowing light coming from above, touching the crown of your head. On your exhale, feel this light's warmth and positivity flow down your spine, nourishing every part of you, filling every corner of your being. You're radiating this light, a beacon of peace and positivity. Cherish this connection, this moment of unity with your inner self. Let it be a guide, a reminder of the calm and positivity that resides within, ready to accompany you morning or night. Draw in another deep breath, letting the air carry with it a radiant positivity. As you exhale, visualize this shimmering energy flowing gracefully through your entire being. With each breath, envision an energy shower cascading over you, washing away any negative thoughts, gray clouds, or lingering shadows. Breathe in the essence of peace and gentle light, and breathe out, letting go of burdens and weight, releasing them into the universe. Every breath is a cycle of purification, renewing and revitalizing your spirit. Feel this bright energy like a gentle stream flowing through you, immersing every cell, every thought, every emotion in peace. Now, I'd like to share some affirmations with you. These words will connect you with your renewed energy. Let them resonate deeply within, either echoing them aloud or silently in your heart. As you embrace each affirmation, feel its truth vibrating throughout your being. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I radiate peace and positivity. I radiate peace and positivity. I radiate peace and positivity. I embrace my unique light. I embrace my unique light. I embrace my unique light. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am worthy of love and happiness. My life is abundant and bright. My life is abundant and bright. My life is abundant and bright. Now, let's seal these affirmations, drawing 3 deep, intentional breaths, releasing each one with a sigh of contentment. Gently observe the space you're in, the shift in your energy, the lightness in your spirit. This sanctuary of serenity is always within you, accessible at any moment. Hold on to this truth. Your peace is a treasure, forever yours to embrace. When the moment feels right, let your eyelids flutter open, greeting the world with renewed clarity and warmth. May your day be filled with love and light,